Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all well. So today, oh my goodness, I have scheduled in a day of a bit of, what do you really call it in October? It's not exactly spring cleaning, is it? Anyway, the weather is so flipping cold. My flat's getting a bit messy. Life is a little bit hectic right now, so I just wanted to give myself a day to like sort my flat out, do a little bit of a spring clean, and I've also had a package arrive because I ordered some new prints for my bedroom because I just want to make that wall look nice. I just wanted to do a little bit of a revamp to just make myself feel better, really. My mood's been a bit of a weird one. I honestly do think it's the weather. So yeah, I'm gonna get my DIY on today. I'm gonna do a little bit of cleaning. I've invited my friend Elaine around to help me because she honestly, like, she's so good with helping me, being brutal when I'm cleaning. And she also helped me hang this wall up here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do one of these walls in my bedroom. I am actually moving house in a few months, but I just want my flat to be nice for the kind of Halloween, Christmas period. Yeah, it just needs sorting out. So anyway, I thought I would vlog it. I've just finished filming a video, so I need to edit that today. And yeah, I mean, look, you know when you just have little jobs of like putting washing and stuff away, but I am super excited for this. My order from Desenio, they do the most amazing prints. Like, that's what I have on my print wall in my lounge. So let me show you. Basically, I've been wanting to do this forever, and I just thought, like, to make myself feel better, yeah, my room's a state as well, I would tackle this wall because look how boring that looks. So boring. So we're gonna give it a little bit of a revamp. But yeah, when I move, I'm obviously bringing all my prints with me as well, and I'll fill you in on all the details. But essentially, yeah, it's just long, and I don't want to like neglect my flat in the meantime. I want to keep it nice whilst I'm still living here. So yeah, that's the plan today. I need to eat something because I'm so hungry, but Elena should be here any minute. Literally need to sort all this washing situation out as well. First stop when Elena comes over is always the packages. There's always a little pile of packages, and she is just so helpful with helping me open them. Oh my goodness, so many face gems from Brian. These are so cool. And look at this, eyeshadow palettes from Collection. We literally have it all going on here.
This is the cutest thing I've ever seen in my entire life.
The Too Faced Christmas. I've never seen a gingerbread and a bronzer before, but so they're the first time for everything. So literally all of this. We've got some lip glosses from Ciate. We've got this little watermelon. Oh, these are eye patches. Yeah, we're just saying that we
can relate.
We need these at the moment.
Spend my life crying.
We got some colour stuff. This is all pink. Like, they literally they know me too well. We've got I really love this mask. It's for coloured hair from L'Oreal. Wait, so we've got lipstick in there. What else? Oh my god, this is insane.
Saucy.
I'm actually so excited to see these prints. I can't remember exactly what I ordered, but I know what I did order was really nice. Guys, I just thought I would let you know, in case you are looking to spruce up your home for autumn like me, if you use the code MaddieBruce on Desenio's website, you can get an extra 10% off of their 30% weekend discount this weekend. So go get your prints now because it runs out on the 27th of October. Okay, wall planning. Yeah, that looks really cute. Decided to put another little print up. I didn't realise that I'd ordered so many, so I thought I might as well pop some in some other places. It looks so cute. Love that. Taking a little break to watch a bit of Honey. Elena messaged me yesterday for the video of her sister dancing to Honey.
To see the video?
Yeah, I would love to see the video and show them. There we go.
Ready.
Literally, I forgot about Honey. It was literally my favourite film growing up.
We used to watch it all the time.
Used to watch it so much, and Jessica Alba is just like amazing. Good morning, guys. Wow, my appearance is interesting this morning. So I think this is gonna be a 2-day thing. I felt like it was a bit unfair to make her help me with like putting away my washing and like cleaning my bathroom and stuff. Like, that's not fun. So that is my task for today. I've just done my morning yoga. I don't know if you can hear like the relaxing music in the background. I've got my morning smoothie. I've got a list here. Let's see what we have on the list. Yoga, done that. I need to post some parcels, walk Lola. I'm seeing my friend Jade tonight because it's her birthday. I need to wash up. I need to unpack still from the weekend. Put washing away, iron. I want to go to B&Q and get a wreath holder, and then I need to do some calls. So I'm just going to hop in the shower now, and we are going to make a start to doing some cleaning and tidying and sorting out. We're going for a walk! Woohoo! Lola looks so cute in her little coat. I'll show you it in a second. I bought it for her the other day because I had her groomed. So now she gets really cold. But I'm just gonna pop to the post office, and I want to pop into B&Q to get a wreath holder. Something I've never had to do, but basically I got sent this Halloween wreath, and yeah, I want to put it on my front door. Get in the spirit of Halloween. I don't really usually decorate for Halloween, to be honest, but since I'm in a decorating mode at the moment. Oh, that sun is bright. I literally just had to go and get some sushi in Co-op because I just realised I didn't eat any flipping lunch. So now we're off into B&Q to see if we can find a wreath holder. Oh my god, it's Christmas. Wow. Well, I'm hoping these are going to work for this little cutie in her coat. I don't know why I'm so out of breath walking up that hill when I've literally like been running so much recently. Anyway, I stole this coat from my sister. She left it behind when she came to stay, and I literally love it. Keeping it. So we just got home. I've just spent a bit of time doing work on my laptop as I got a chatty Tuesday. Where's my remote? I need to turn this music down. My plans for this evening have changed. I'm no longer going to Jade's. We're gonna do something like literally just us on Thursday, so that's cool. It means I have more time to get my chores done. Guys, I've done it. It's literally dark outside, so I'm having to hold my phone flash out. But look how cute this looks on my door. I've never had an autumnal wreath before. My flat has officially been spruced up and cleaned for autumn. We have the wreath on the door, which is super cute. I've literally blitzed the whole entire flat, cleaned the bathroom, deep cleaned. It's taken me a lot longer than I'd hoped because it's now 9 o'clock and I still need to make dinner. But anyway, I'm so happy to have a nice flat, and there's like a candle burning, and I just feel so homely right now. So let me show you. I'm so excited to show you my bedroom because I haven't shown you like what that all looks like put together with the desenio prints, etc. So let's go and have a look. The bathroom is so flipping clean. I really love this new addition to the bathroom. I love this quote. This is one of the desenio prints that I got. So let's go and see the bedroom because it's a really subtle change, but I really like how it looks. It feels like more homely and more cozy in here. So these 3 little prints. I decided not to put loads on this wall because I did order a few, but I thought I didn't want to like knock them off if they were down here, so I've kept it simple and I've just got 4 prints. I've got the Dear Bed, I Love You, I've got the Dream with the feathers, and then this really cool cactus one. And then what I really love is I moved the one that was on there over here, and I really like this little section that I've created for myself. This quote again I love. They do so many amazing quote prints at Desenio. And then finally I've just popped this one on the wall here. Yeah, reading all of these quotes does actually really soothe me, and I really like how this looks. It looks so cute. So I am off to make dinner now. I'm gonna make myself a stir fry. I'm gonna end the vlog here though because it's not going to be that interesting. I really hoped you loved the autumn spruce up with me. Do let me know what you thought in the comments down below. I'll leave like the link for all the prints that I got from Desenio in the description below. The wreath I got I can't link because that was a gift. Oh yeah, a code for you guys. I'll pop it on the screen, so if you do want to order any prints from Desenio, then you can. They're literally the only place that I order prints from, and they're such a good price anyway. So yeah, thumbs up if you did like this video, and I will see you in my next one. Goodbye.